All right, welcome to Unit 1 in Marine Science. We're just going to talk about some changes that we've made for marine science and introduce where we're going with this unit. And so let's get started. Unit 1 was originally scientific method. However, we felt like since you're so far into your science career, most of you should be a junior or senior, might have a couple of sophomores in there. You've had a lot of experience with the scientific method, so we felt like you didn't need a whole unit on this. When we do live lecture, we're going to do just a slight review on the scientific method, but otherwise, we're just not going to worry about it. We're going to assume that you know it. If you do not know it, reach out to either myself or Miss Prather, and we will help you get that knowledge so that way we can move forward and you can feel like you're successful in this class. Your new Unit 1 is going to be Marine and Aquatic Policy. When we were reviewing what you guys are going to be covering this year, we really felt like it was prudent that you understood marine and aquatic policy. And since it wasn't really in this course, we felt like it was prudent to add this. And since you already knew the scientific method, that we could flex this a little bit. As such, the only supplemental material that we're going to provide for you are those live lectures. So please plan on either attending the live lecture if possible. This year it is found on Tuesdays from 11 to noon. If you cannot, for some reason, because we understand life happens, if you cannot attend that live lecture, watch the recording of the live lecture, which is found on our message board, or watch the micro lessons of this unit, which are also going to be found on the message board. Sometimes we'll link them into the introduction page. It's just going to depend on how much time we have before each unit. Please be aware that this course is fairly new to us, and so some of it may be under construction. And if we find activities or things that we seem like are struggling, that you guys are struggling with, we will be flexible with that. So please be communicative with us. This is the last change for this. We have dropped everything from the scientific method unit with the exception of this first part of the unit, is that since we've dropped the podcasts and other activities that are part of this, you have one assignment for this unit and it's worth 45 points. I know that seems like a lot. However, with it being said, like I said, this is replacing 3 or 4 other assignments and we felt like this was an appropriate action to take. If you have any questions on this, please, please, please reach out. We are available via text. We are available via call. We are available via webmail. Please do not be afraid to ask us for help. Or even during our open office hours or live lecture, we are available for you. We are a resource for you, and that's our job. Again, if you have any questions, reach out and I will talk to you next time.